So chapter 6.3 talks about evaluating logarithms, and it asks us to evaluate and simplify the following expressions without using a calculator. So an important thing to note is, since we know that ln of x is the natural log of e of x, in the same sense, log of x, unless specified, is log base 10 of x. So it's just an important thing to note. Then we can go ahead and solve for these. So log of 0.0001 is going to be log base 10 of 0.0001. And then we can write this expression here as this decimal here as a fraction. So we have tenths, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So this whole thing as a fraction is 1 over 10,000. We have log base 10 of this. So then we do 10, raise it to the, let's call that x, and we set it equal to this. And since we count 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, we know that x is going to be -4. And it's negative because the 10,000 is on the bottom of the fraction. And then for the next one, we have log of 100,000. And we can write this out again with base 10. And set this equal to x. And then we're going to raise 10 to the x and set it equal to this 100,000. And this time we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, so x equals 5. So this one's going to be -4, and this one's going to be 5. Then the next one is 2 times the log of 100 to the -3rd. So we can start this one by simplifying this expression right here. So let's do log base 10 of 100 to the -3rd and set this equal to x. So we raise 10 to the x and set it equal to this. And from here, what we can do is change the bases. So 10 to the x stays the same, and we know that 100 is 10 squared, and then we're going to raise all of that to the -3rd power. So x equals -6. So this expression here simplifies to -6. So 2 times -6, our answer is going to be -12. And then for the last one, we have log base 10 of 1 plus 3. So we can start by simplifying this expression as well. So log base 10 of 1 equals x. Do the same thing, 10 to the x equals 1. And anything to the 0 power gives us 1. So if we raise 10 to the 0, that's going to give us 1, so x must be 0. So that means that this expression here simplifies to 0. Then 0 plus 3 is just 3, and that's our answer.